Let's talk about access management in Liongard. In this video, we will cover the main elements of access management in Liongard involving user permissions and environment groups. We can access this screen by navigating to Admin and Users. First, let's review some of the permission roles available for all users. To illustrate this, I will create a new user, but do know that you can edit permissions for an already existing user by selecting on their name. Now, click on the Add User button on the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you have the option to edit items like their basic details, departments, account status, MFA status, and more. Now, let's review the various roles that you can assign a user. First is the admin role, which gives a user full read and write permissions to the entire platform. Users who will implement and/or manage environments, platform integrations, inspectors, agents, users, and basically all features in Liongard, as well as manage company settings and the Liongard instance as a whole, should have this role selected. Do know that if a user is assigned the admin role, this trumps all other roles as being the highest priority role a user can be given. Second is the manager role, which provides a user with the same permissions as an admin role, but only for a selected and predefined number of environments. You may select individual environments or environment groups. We'll touch on those environment groups in a moment. Now, do know that a key differentiator with this role is that this user may not view or modify company settings or platform integrations. Next, the Systems Integrator role provides read and write access to platform integrations, agents, and inspectors, but read-only access to environments and all other features in Liongard. We recommend this role for users who will implement and/or manage platform integrations, agents, and inspectors, but will not create or modify environments, users, and other features in Liongard. Next, the reader role provides a user with read-only access to environments, inspectors, agents, users, and all features in Liongard. Again, you may select individual environments here, or environment groups. This role is ideal for users who need full visibility but do not need implementation and/or management capabilities in Liongard. Lastly, the user admin role will only give read and write access for the creation and management of users. Please note that this role does not allow for view into company settings, environments, platform integrations, inspectors, agents, users, and all features in Liongard for all environments. You may mix and match some of these roles. For example, a user can be assigned the manager role for a number of environments, while being set to reader for another number of environments. This gives you ultimate control to decide what users have access to which environments and with which permissions. Now, we touched briefly on environment groups, but let's talk a little bit more about these. Click on the Environment Groups tab on the upper left corner. And here you are in the Environment Groups page. Environment groups in Liongard allow you to customize access control into logical groups, allowing you to streamline access management. You may create different environment groups based on departments, projects, or geographical locations and assign users to these groups accordingly. For example, you may segment your service desk team to different territories, which means they only need to see their assigned customers inside of Liongard. Environment groups allow you to create that segmentation. By default, each Liongard instance comes with 2 default environment groups that can be used to help you get started. First is the All Environments group, which includes your company's own internal environment. This group is used to give users global access, and members of this group will be able to perform actions that require global scope. Any members of this group will have reader manager access to all current and future environments inside of Liongard. Secondly, we have the All Managed Environments group. This group gives users access to all environments except your internal environment in your Liongard instance. Assigning the environment group is useful when you want a user to see all of your customers inside Liongard, but not your own internal IT environment. All future environments added to this instance will be automatically added to this group. Now, creating an environment group is very easy. Click on the Add Environment Group button in the top right of the page. Fill in the name for an environment group and give a description that will help you better identify the group later when assigning. In this example, we're going to title this one East Region Help Desk, which will serve as my environment group for help desk technicians servicing the East region. Then we're going to select the Add Environments button to begin adding environments to this group. You may select all environments in bulk or select the ones that you intend on only adding. The selected environments are shown in the table below. Optionally, the Auto Add New Environments toggle can be selected to ensure newly imported or added environments are automatically a part of this group. Next, you're going to select the users that you wish to be a part of this environment group and what role each user will have for all of the environments in this group. Select the Users tab and click on Add Users. Using the selectors on the left side, select each user, as well as manager or reader permission for each of these. Do note that if an existing user is assigned the admin role, they will be grayed out as they, by default, have access to all environments. If an existing user is assigned the Systems Integrator role, the option for reader will be grayed out as they, by default, have read access to all environments. When finished, select Done. Once you have added your environments and users, you simply press Save, and you've now successfully created a new environment group. For more details on user access management in Liongard, please visit our linked documentation below.